No need to worry, cops soothe fears after 30-odd deportees are sent home for committing crimes in the United Kingdom. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Lorraine Samuels. Also this evening, breaking the silence. Prominent women detail how they escape abusive relationships.
Brothers in death, cops probe a double killing in Manchester.
Age of consent, a group marches for it to be increased. This evening, they make an argument.
Under fire, an MP tackles Scotiabank amidst recent fee controversy.
And in the business news, gas tracker, the latest petrol prices.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
What can the government do to better reintegrate deportees into the Jamaican society?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.